Today I'm going to show you guys how to fix the D3DX9_43.DLL is missing error you might be getting on your Windows device. So there's a couple different applications that could be causing this problem, but I'm going to go through how to hopefully resolve it pretty quickly, and this should work for most of you guys. So without delay, we're going to jump right into it, and we're going to start by opening up any web browser. I'm going to open up Microsoft Edge because it's right on my taskbar, but if you would prefer to use Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, or Firefox, you are more than welcome to. Okay, so now that we are on Google, we want to type in DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer, and then I'm just going to hit enter to search. One of the best matches that comes up should be from a Microsoft domain, and at the time of this recording it says download DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer. I'm going to click on that link to open it up. If you guys are unable to find it, you are more than welcome to go on Microsoft's website, and under the search functionality feature right up here where it says search Microsoft.com, you can just type in what we typed into Google and you probably will find it. So anyway, we can see without even really having to scroll down the page, there's something that says DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer, the exact same thing that we searched on Google. All we have to do at this point is just select the correct language. So by clicking on this box, it'll open up a drop-down menu that you'll be able to select whatever language might be more appropriate for you. But fortunately, it's already selected English, which is correct. And if you scroll down here, you can check underneath system requirements to make sure your system is eligible. Basically, any version of Windows newer than XP Service Pack 3 will be sufficient for this. And once we've confirmed all of this, we're going to select the download button right here. And now I'm going to uncheck the MSN default homepage. Usually, if you guys have ever downloaded a lot of stuff off the internet, they'll try and bundle other applications and software with your download. I'm going to uncheck this box, and we can see that at the time of this recording, it's only about 286 kilobytes to total download, so pretty quick. Then again, it is the web installer, which isn't the full package. But anyway, we're going to just select no thanks and continue. So the download should be pretty quick initially, and then it's just going to take a little bit of time to actually download and install DirectX. So on Microsoft Edge and Internet Explorer, there should be something that comes up that says what do you want to do with this file. Right down here, .exe, like I said, 285 kilobytes. I'm going to save the file. If you're on Chrome or Firefox, you're more welcome to run the file as well, and you can click on run again. On Chrome, you usually have the option to run it by just clicking on it, so it's a little bit simpler, but you guys get the point. So it's going to ask you if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. You want to select yes. And at this point, I'm going to close out of the web browser since it is no longer needed. And it says welcome to setup for DirectX. Once you have looked through the end user license agreement, you want to click inside this circle that says I accept the agreement. Once you've done so, this option to select next should become ungrayed out. Alright, so I'm going to unselect the install the Bing bar. I'm going to just deselect that here, and then I'm going to select next to proceed. It's going to say installing components, and it's going to ask us to click on next to continue here, which I will do, and it will take a moment, so just be patient. It should not take too long. Okay, and it should say installation complete. The components installed and are now ready for use. Click on finish to close out of the window. I recommend restarting your computer and you should be good to go. So I hope this quick tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.